Hello everyone, I'm T Commando, and welcome to another video on my channel. I've been away from the model building hobby for a few months now, because, well, I got a new toy, but that needs a couple parts, and while I'm waiting for them, I decided that I might finish something that I wanted to do for a while, and that was restore this 1/48 scale B-25 that I built a while back. So, I started it, I don't know how many months ago, but what I done was I laid down my putty and smoothed that out, but I was missing a couple parts, my top turret and the left gunner's window. But since I had found them, I decided that I would try to finish this up. So the first thing that I want to do is do the top side. Now, there also used to be a decal here, but I took that off because it was one that I did not lay down correctly to begin with, and also the instructions did not say that I'd have to lay it down first before I put these parts on. Without further ado, I'm going to go ahead, and I think before I even think about putting my paper up there, I'm going to take some masking tape, put it on my shorts leg, and then quick take it off. Little thing I learned from watching Trekworks. It's been sprayed down with clear coat already, so shouldn't have to worry too much now. Where did I put my tape? Right here. Ta-da! Just like a cork. Alright, I don't think I see any further issues with me spraying from the top down, so, well, actually one. That's with the rear guns. There. So we're gonna go ahead and paint that, and we'll see how it looks in a couple hours. So these are the results of my work thus far. There's a few spots that still need some care that I am actually working on right now. One of them in particular being here, where the putty didn't take very well. Then there's a little spot right here that I gotta go over again where I had to pull up a decal that didn't lay down too well. Then I went back and re-sanded some of the putty here, as you can see, so I'm gonna have to go over that again. And then to finish it all off, just gotta paint these spots, maybe go over these engine cowlings a little bit better, and then these little spots right here. And as for right here, I'm not sure what I'm going to do as far as putty work, if I can even do anything. mainly because one of these is like a little landing gear door, and there's just a lot of, well, right here you can see where the glue kind of oozed through. I don't think there's anything that I can really do about that. I'm not sure what to do about this here, so I might just have to leave it. And then I gotta figure out how to get the door in here, because that fell out. And I think I still got all the parts for it, so should be on our way to getting this finished up. So I'm gonna go ahead and mask it, and then I'll paint it. So, been having good results with the B-25 so far. I just finished up the bottom. The front landing gear door, I don't know how to solve the issue with the glue oozing there, so I think I'm just gonna leave it. When I was trying to strip the paint off the canopies for repainting, I found out the hard way that lacquer thinner attacks clear styrene. And I was able to save it a little bit with the fiber polisher with on the Dremel tool, so they're not quite as cloudy. But I think just to kind of mask it, I'm gonna put the top turret and this window back on and give the entire model a shot of gloss clear, just to kind of hide it, and then I'll put the canopy and the nose back on, and then call it good. So I'll probably just leave it off here and give you a few photos of the finished result. I'm T Commando. This has been the little mini series of the B-25-J restoration, and I will see you in my next video. See ya.